My friend, quick question. If you see Bigfoot in real life, what you doing? Running. Me just broke up my two and a coconut and STI look sexy. Somebody give me oxtail for me mash up this whole plaza. But then you're asking the people, who more mysterious, Bigfoot or your baby father? At least Bigfoot show up sometime. Yo, I can't manage a star. Yo, me up on the road looking for vibes and fried plantain, miss.
You single or you just hungry in peace? Boy, move your forest self.
She mash up my ego worse than a bad jerk chicken. Shh, me I talk to the pavement to hear that crunch. That's history, my lion. Your next star, give me your foot sounds. My brother, you ever sip coconut water upon the moon?
Me try one spaceship start to fly under the sea star.
Me try Tinder, but every girl swipe left, them think me a bush with legs.
Same thing happened to me. Them not ready for this much fluff and love. Me go on date, the girl run when me take off my sandal, but my foot always big. You know? Yo, we out here. I got Miss Yeti with me. Real one from the Himalayas. What's the vibe, queen? I'm cool like ice. Yo, we're back in these streets. It's your boy BigFoot, Forest Fresh. My dear Biggie, the sun hot, but me still icy, you know?
Y'all hear that? Frost vibes in a heat wave.
Yo, what do you say to the people who say Yetis ain't real?
Ooh, she cooked them.
Hey, last question. Snow or sand?
Snow for sleep, sand for party. Balance, baby.
Bigfoot, long time star. Why you still hide like tax money?
Girl, I ain't hiding. I'm avoiding rent.
It's ya boy Bigfoot, still tall, still blurry, signing off. Stay wild, stay weird.
We out here, Bigfoot, Snow Queen and Monkey Man. Vibes realer than Wi-Fi in a jungle.
Me swing past your ex last night, seen?
That's why she crying in the trees.
Shh, it's Biggie. Street whispers only.
We just saw a human. They looked confused.
Shh, it's Biggie, street whispers only.
We just saw a human. They looked confused.
Maybe they smelled us.
This one say can't cook, much can't date that. Next one say talk to them ex. POP that too, see?
Biggie not playing.
Me live on the road, see? Bigfoot IRL, blurry but bless. Them still not believe, but me right here, star. Me tell you one tale, but the next, only if you like and not subscribe, see? Don't let the forest get quiet now.
You see when humans spot me, them start talking like them say ghosts.
See me, them freeze like we a tax collector.
True. Next time, me I bring reggae for calm them down. You see when humans spot me, them try cook me.
You have to cook them a goat.
True. Next time, me I curry them ras.